if what are their signature food, and one of them is the kusahos. So kusahos is made of carabao, basically carabao, dried carabao meat to preserve it, and then then they cook it after a few months, basically. So it's like tapa, but it's more what? Really good. I mean, if you love tapa, definitely you're gonna love it. This is good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, anytime. Good with fried rice for sure. So, hey, if you wanna order kusahos, you can actually have a special order here at Mojo's Bistro and Bar. So, ask the waiters for tips.